New at 6, the Central Mountains are shrouded in smoke and unhealthy air as wildfires continue to burn there. Valleys, however, are seeing better air quality right now. But we can't forget the Treasure Valley had a significant stretch of poor air quality in July. Our Sophia Bliss found out we also had a first for the record books.
We did. We saw the first day in the Treasure Valley where ozone reached the very unhealthy or purple category. That's according to Mike Toole with the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality. The EPA considers surface ozone a pollutant and harmful to public health. Ozone and smaller particulates like wildfire smoke are tracked separately. Ozone is 10 micrometers and wildfire smoke is smaller, 2.5 micrometers. And you can see those sizes on your screen. But even though they're tracked separately, their concentrations can sometimes influence each other.
Ozone is not emitted from any source. It's actually a chemical reaction that occurs at ground level, and you have to have the precursors and the warm temperature and usually direct sunlight. So all these factors go into it. On that particular day, we had, summertime conditions, hot temperatures, and depending on what is burning in these fires, it can change what type of pollutants are in that smoke. So when it's pushed into the Treasure Valley, it adds to help mix and create that ozone to a higher level.
Preliminary data shows this high level of ozone on July 23rd. Toole also says the wildfire smoke impacts over the past 2 months are similar to what we saw in other busy fire years, 2021, 2017, and 2015. Toole adds typically we can see high concentrations of smoke for a short amount of time or lower concentrations for a longer amount of time. It's just that this year we've had higher concentrations for a longer time frame, largely in part because of the fires burning locally.
Man, it's tough to think about what that does to us, right, as human beings living in this every single day.
Even the mood,
Yes.
it gets a little bit, changes a little bit with all the gray.
All right, Sophia, thank you.